In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image in Adobe Express. Flipping is a quick way to mirror a photo, change the direction of a subject, or balance a layout without re-editing the entire design. I'll walk you through the process and share a few simple tips to keep everything looking polished. Start by opening your project in Adobe Express. If you already have it open, great, you're ready to go. If not, navigate to your project from your dashboard and open it so you can see your canvas. Make sure the canvas is fully visible so you can clearly view the changes as you work. Next, select the image you want to flip. Click directly on the photo on your canvas. You'll know it's selected when a bounding box or handles appear around it. If you have multiple elements on your design, take a moment to confirm that only the image is selected, not a group or a background. A clean selection helps ensure you're flipping just the right element. With the image selected, look for the flip option. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the top toolbar or in the right side panel. Adobe Express updates its interface from time to time, but the flip control is typically easy to spot once the image is selected. If you don't see it immediately, glance between the top bar and the right panel. One of those will have the flip controls. Now choose how you want to flip. Flip horizontal mirrors the image left to right. This is perfect if you want a subject to face the opposite direction or if you're balancing your composition across the page. Flip vertical mirrors the image top to bottom. Use this if you need the photo upside down or want to reflect a design element vertically. Be mindful if your image includes text or logos. Flipping can reverse them, which may not be desirable. After flipping, adjust the image position if needed. Simply click and drag the photo to fine-tune its placement. Use the smart alignment guides that appear as you move the image to center it or align it with other elements. If part of the image is cropped, drag it so important details stay within the visible frame. Zoom in briefly if you need a closer look, then zoom back out to check the overall balance. If the flip doesn't look right, you can undo and try the other flip direction. That's all you need to flip an image in Adobe Express. Open your project, select the image, choose Flip, pick horizontal or vertical, and make a quick adjustment to perfect the composition.